Yes, today is December 15th, and after the market close, and we start off looking at the charts, what the market direction is, where the market is going, what we do expect in the next 2 weeks. And I am looking at the chart of SPX 20-day, 30-minute time frame. It's up close look, and if you look at it here, and I've drawn these two parallel lines, this is a bull flag. What the SPX is doing is here, after rising from 1175 to 1245, which is quite a bit, I mean 25 plus 45 points rise is incredible. I mean, from November 29 to 15, 2 weeks, I mean, you're looking at 45 plus 25, that's 70 points. I mean, there's a lot of stuff here. It just went up quite a bit. So what do you expect the market to do? Continuously keep going up? No, it won't. And so this is what a bullish market does. It starts forming a sell-off here in an orderly fashion, and it is a result of a flag that it is making. Because we're so up close to the chart, you cannot see it, but I will pull this back up and you can see all of the charts are making these kind of flags right now. And I'm going to pull them back up here in a minute. Let me just show you on RUT. The same kind of flag pattern is appearing on RUT. RUT has a mercurial rise here from 732 to 768. Wow. And that is a huge number. So in 15 days or 20 days, 15 days, I mean 2 weeks, you cannot expect this market to just keep on heralding every day and every day and every day. And so it is kind of selling off in an orderly fashion so far here, and it's forming a bull flag here. So okay, if you want, let me just go back and pull SPX again, and we're going to pull out this chart frames here. We're going to go from 20-day to 60 days, and the pattern starts becoming more and more clear. So this is what it looks like on a bull flag here. This is 60-day, 60-minute chart. Then we pull back again, pull out from this, and go to the year-to-date chart. And when we look at the year-to-date chart, this was a cup and a handle, and that pattern is sitting right there. And if you look at it, my lines are still there. You can see it. Now, the market has become extremely overbought because it ran up so much. When it ran up so much, it became extremely overbought. The stochastic is now turning, and there's a hook here in the stochastics. When it is turning down, then we should expect some more downturns. And I would love to see this market sell off some and work off its overbought condition in order for it to progress. Markets that don't do that often collapse, and they are very dangerous to trade when they're high up like this. So these overbought conditions have to be worked out, which it is doing in an orderly fashion, and that's what we like to see. This is a very normal bull market here, and this bull flag is forming here, and I expect in the next few days the market has to trudge along in this nice tight trading slowly down towards the downside. And with that said, that does not mean the market is going down. That means the market is pulling back. And what do you do with those pullbacks? You start buying things and start evaluating stocks and getting into it. That's what everybody does. The fund managers do that, hedge funds, all these people are clamoring, and they're loving this kind of pattern and seeing it tonight. And look at it, SPY has the same hook. I mean, here in the stochastic turning down, volume is low, and then a small bull flag start forming in the 3 days of trading. If pattern will become more obvious if it does for 5 or 6 days, and at least it usually does for 5 or 6 days or 10 days. It could go for another week or so like this. So we're looking at these stocks, and we're also trying to see our own stocks here that we have some positions. PCLN is also forming some kind of a flag, and it probably can come down here to the 50-day moving average, but it looks like it's going to get pinned here at 400. Apple is also sitting there on the trend line, 320. Looks like it's going to get pinned there. It's also overbought. And finally, NFLX, and I can squeeze that in here right now. NFLX is hitting the 50-day moving average, bouncing off. It's extremely oversold. Time to entry for the people who are going to buy now. Netflix, they're going to jump into it now. So that is all for today, and I'll get back to you with another edition.